Namaste guys, it's Yogini Kala, and today I wanted to answer a question from a viewer. Her name is C, and her question was, let me get my computer here, hold on. And her email was like, it went across this way, so I have to kind of scroll. But yeah, it was about the chakras, and now my chakra videos, there's a playlist, I'll put the link below, is the most popular that I have done so far, the group of videos, so that's really cool. It's for beginners. Each video gives an overview of the chakra or subtle energy center within our body, and then it gives a meditation to open, balance, clear. Those words are basically interchangeable because you don't need to know, am I opening my chakra? Am I closing my chakra? It's beyond that type of almost control. What I mean by that is it's like it's a weather phenomena or something. It's spiritual, it's Shakti, it's life force, it's Chi. So if you know there's an imbalance, and I talk about that in each video, you work with specific sounds to balance it. So you don't have to know, am I closing it? Am I opening it? Is it too, you don't control it to that degree. What you want to do is create balance. And balance will happen when you do the particular type of meditation that I mentioned. Okay? So I hope that gets into her question, which was, in the beginning, do you work on all 7 chakras, all 7 major chakras in the body, or do you work on one at a time? So in each sitting, do you work on all 7, or do you just focus on one? And to be really honest, see, and to all of you watching, it's really a bigger question that should be answered generally, because it's going to really depend on you and on what's going on for you emotionally and spiritually and all that. And that's something I would get into with someone if I were coaching them. But to answer it generally, because you asked, I would say once you have a sense of, either from my videos and any other research, of what chakra is imbalanced, right, then I would focus on that chakra, do the meditations, do it for 10 days, 15 days, 30 days, and then see if you notice any subtle shifts. If you notice a subtle shift, then good. You could, and you feel everything's cool, then you could go to do, in each session, do all the chakras, like just do a little chanting for each chakra, right? And then, come back, really feel grounded, really feel rooted, and then go on with your day. So I would say if you feel that there is a specific, like with the root chakra, I think a lot of us, there are different types of people. Like I said, it's best answered individually in consulting with you and knowing the person. But a lot of us are a little ungrounded from our physical body, and so the root chakra might need work. Because, and I say that because in our society, really, most people live from their neck up. We're walking around in like our brain, and the mind is running so much we don't even see it as a problem because everybody's doing that. So, you may notice some problems that have to do with the root chakra, like just not feeling calm, not feeling centered, but then on the more practical level, difficulties with money, difficulty with feeling at home any place. Maybe you move around a lot, you feel kind of unsteady, there's not a sense of family or tribe or friends support, and that the earth supports you monetarily, sort of a lack of stability, then you may say, okay, I'm going to work on the root chakra and really get that grounded. Okay? So I hope that helps. And please, ask your questions about any topic that seems relevant for my channel, spirituality, meditation, especially mindfulness meditation. If you would like to work with me, I offer a 20 to 30 minute free call where we talk about what's going on for you, and it does require filling out a inquiry form so I know you're serious, and then that way I also know what's going on for you. Okay? And that is free, so you can kind of see how I work and just talk with me. So the link is below for that as well. Namaste. Bye-bye.